E-commerce has been a fast-growing channel and is now growing at an explosive rate. A new channel brings scale, new opportunities, as well as unique challenges. A leading e-retailer shares national sellout forecast at the SKU level. However, CPG corporations get orders at the SKU distribution center level with just 48 hours fulfillment window. What compounds the problem is that demand patterns across SKUs have high fluctuations and the frequency of purchase orders are not consistent. This variation across multiple DCs of the e-retailer creates a planner's nightmare. This results in low case fill rate, out of stocks, and even loss of buy box. The penalties and loss of market share make it high cost to serve. We have developed a probabilistic forecasting method that harnesses the insights from multiple data sets. Our digital assets help you forecast and fulfill the e-retailer demand better. Please take a look at the actual orders received and how we have improved the forecast accuracy. This has enabled us to deliver powerful benefits to our clients, such as 2,000 basis points improvement in forecast accuracy, up to 6% improvement in case fill rate, and reduction in penalties up to 1.4% of category revenue. Achieving these results with significant reduction in manual effort by planners create the foundation of autonomous planning system. Give us just 6 weeks and we will demonstrate the benefits of autonomous planning for profitable growth in online channels.